we're going to start the meeting that we planned yesterday. Uh, I call this meeting to order. We'll begin this meeting now. Is everyone here?
Yes.
Okay. Good. Let's start this meeting. Welcome everyone. Thank you for coming. I appreciate everyone taking the time to join us today. I'd like to thank everyone for attending today's meeting. Okay, is everyone ready? So we're here today to arrange and discuss a travel plan and package for a new customer that we have. As you all know, I received a proposal from a school in our city of Yogyakarta and Chakra Dinata School planning to take their students on an education trip around Jawa. And they plan on visiting multiple universities across multiple cities for 5 days. I hope you guys already read through the proposal. I have with your own ideas regarding each of your parts. I'm going to set the agenda questions that needs to be discussed and resolved by the end of this meeting. Here is the meeting that I've set. Here is the agenda that I've set up. We will be discussing about 5 things, which is which place they are going to visit, how many nights they will spend in each place, where the trip is going to begin and end, which services and meals will be included in the price, and the name of the tour. First of all, the first agenda we're going to discuss is which place they are going to visit. I'd like to ask Ms. Vidya to introduce the first item on the agenda that is in the proposal. Have you already come up with your some ideas?
Permission to speak. So in the proposal that we got from the school representative, the school said that the students want to go visit multiple state universities in Indonesia, mainly University of Indonesia. And after that, the rest of the day, I will be regular tourism of the city where the university is located. My idea for that is to visit universities in Bandung, Bogor, and Jakarta from Yogyakarta, where they will visit top universities in each city. And after that, go on a regular tour visiting tourist attractions in each city. I think it's better if they visit ITB and Unpad, and also Lengkong in Bandung, UI and Dufan in Jakarta, and IPB and Chokomori for buying souvenirs in Bogor. What do you guys think, and any other idea? Do you all agree with my idea?
Yes, we all agree.
Okay, thank you for the time.
Okay, moving on to the next agenda. We are going to discuss how many nights they will spend in each night. This is my part. We are going to discuss my idea regarding this agenda. So my idea is I think I have to set the timeline for this tour, which is 4 nights and 5 days. 2 days in Bandung, 1 day in Jakarta, and 1 day in Bogor. For the sake of saving time for the students so that they aren't too tired when they get home. Is everyone okay with this timeline? Do you guys have any idea to fulfill this timeline?
Sorry, I think I have timeline idea regarding the exact timeline.
Okay. Moving on to the third agenda, we will be discussing when the tour will begin and end. Ian will be introducing us to this agenda. If I give you my time, Ian.
Okay, thanks for giving me the time. Continuing the idea that was previously discussed, I've come up with a timeline that I think will suit the tour. We can do it on 1 until 5 for a total of 5 days. And for the route, we will go from Jogja in the evening, then arrive in Bandung in the morning. Then we are go straight to ITB, to city campus. Then we are go to Unpad, and after that we are go tour in Lembang from the noon to afternoon. After we are going Lembang, we go to hotel Grand Sofia Hotel. After that, we will have a dinner in their area, and after in morning we will go to Jakarta to go to Dufan. And the next day, we will go to visit UI and head to Bogor for visit University PB. Then we are go to hotel, and after the next day, will go to buy souvenirs and go to straight back to Jogja.
Okay, nice idea, Mr. Dean. Okay, on to the next agenda, which is which services and meals will be included in the price. Ms. Bila, will you please voice your ideas for us to discuss?
Thank you for all of your time for to speak today. I want to propose service as food and drink, transportation, hotel facilities, ticket to destination that will be visit, and I will provide to guide on each trip. I also want to propose and ask about the estimate price. Do we have prepaid? I will be estimate be around 1.5 million and 2.5 million. But if we take the middle price of around 2 million for each person for the effect tour, does anyone, anyone have an job to this? I give that fitting.
I think I object to this idea. I think a price of around 2.3 million will be the right price for this kind of tour. I think 2 million is too little for us to get much profit from this tour because to me, it doesn't cover the possible unexpected emergency expenses such as undesirable incidents on the road.
Oh yeah, I agree. I forgot about the part my
Okay, it's alright, Miss Miller. Moving on to the next agenda where we will be discussing the different possible dates of our tour. I'd like to pass this agenda to Miss Diana.
So we have talked about the place. Now we'll discuss when are the best month for them to go on the tour. We have already set the month to be January, but what if the date is around the middle of the month and the end of the month? Because of this, we will have to package. One is the middle of the month and one at the end of the month. So the tour is right after the merit-based national university selection and after the final semester exam holiday. Does anyone object to this idea?
I think I have to decide. I think the beginning of the month will be better as I give us more variety to the tour. As we know, the State University Salon start in the middle of January, so it will be an after eligible announcement to tour and before.
Okay, that's a good idea.
Okay, last but not least, let's not forget about the most important thing about this meeting, which is the name of this tour. Do you guys have any ideas? Shirley, how about you?
Yeah, one thing that must not be missed is identity of our tour, right? I talk about giving it a name that had something to do with joy. Do you have any suggestion?
Maybe what about Padmana? Padmana is ancient Japanese name meaning happy door.
Padmana tour? Sounds good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Maybe I want to add the word Ranu, which means pond or lake. So it's Ranu Padmana tour. Pool of joy, the lake which is usually filled with water, is now filled with joy from the high school kids during the tour activities that they will undertake before they start adulthood in college.
Okay, so great. So, Ranu Padmana will be the name for our tour. It's ready for our tour. And thank you guys for, so that's all for this meeting. Thank you for our participation and good luck in handling this tour. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.